This might be too slow for a photo run by, but I figure why not? Actually, it's the correct speed for me to race since I'm in such bad shape right now. So I'm not familiar with the markings I'm seeing on these rail cars. I'll come in close. And I'll zoom back out. And wait for the end to come by, because it's all light. Finally, there's the end of it. And enjoy the sound. Yeah, we still have jointed rail in Forest Park, but its days are numbered. I understand it's to be replaced before too long. Of course, we get another form of transportation flying by. It's our 4-engine Airbus. I almost see the passengers inside, but not quite. All right, back to the train. No problem there. It is so slow. I really could catch up with it and follow it to wherever it's going. But instead, I'll just zoom really far. And then back out, and that's it. I think. No, it's not. We got one more. And listen at that. Yeah, they get to hit all the joints too. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. From here on Forest Parkway at Oak Street in Forest Park, Georgia. And time to stop.